Welcome back everybody to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a treat, a very nice 1966 Chevy C10. Beautiful red paint job, white hardtop on it, and interior is a white and red, and it just looks phenomenal. I mean, such a fun drive. Love the look of this era. Custom. Oh man. Sorry, it's more of like a creamy interior color there. Just beautiful. So nice. Got the wood in the trunk, or in the bed I should say. I really like driving this truck. Jump up here to the driver's seat. Check out the interior and the cluster. Everything is looking so nice on this. All right, let's take it for a spin. Put her on the hoist. Check under the hood. All right, let's take the truck for a quick drive. I really think this is probably one of my favorite cars in the lot right now. Love the way it drives. Feels good, runs good. Great acceleration. Just beautiful. So nice. Go ahead and give her some gas here. Oh yeah. Great cruiser. All right, let's go put her on the hoist. All right, got the truck up here on the lift. Absolutely beautiful underside. Just as the whole car is gorgeous. Very nice. Well done, well kept. Such a sweet ride. I love this truck. If you'd like to see anything up close, if you have more questions, concerns, shoot us an email. Give us a call. Love to do a live FaceTime on the vehicle as well. As always, we appreciate you stopping by, checking out the video. Hopefully everybody's doing well, staying safe. I'm gonna do a quick turnaround on the back side. All right, have a good one.